they said there was a coding class, I decided to join because I love video games and I wanted to learn how to make them.
So we're all part of Scratch Squad. It's a group who dedicated their time to learn this program that you're going to play around with right now called Scratch.
It seemed very confusing. I was always like, what do I do here? What's this? What's that, you know?
I started off thinking that it was hard, but then after it got easier.
I think for the most part, the kids that participated are typically very shy. Some of the kids don't have that confidence.
And even like Watson, he didn't think his game was good enough.
I used the code to make him move side, to make him move left and right, and jump.
But his was almost like Mario.
And I also made the ghoul this, so it'd shoot fireballs.
But then once he saw people really appreciate the game,
He felt empowered to be able to create it. Even now, he's sticking around. He's usually gone by 15.
Coding is fun. It can make anything you want, as you could see with Scratch, from games to stories. And so it's just a good way for you to have fun and learn something that's beneficial to your future.
I learned that all computers basically have a chip inside of them that helps them read humans' messages.
So with the help of Microduino, everyone is gonna receive a prize. So these are actually little chips that they could use to create circuits, and everyone over here is gonna get a free kit.
It makes me feel like the queen of computers.
It's a day where we get to play games and I want to teach others. I don't know, it's just I've always kind of wanted to be the teacher, see how it is in their point of view.
I would like to teach Scratch to my little brother, my brothers, and my sister.
I'll teach cousins and friends. I think it's a fun experience that every kid should have.
Some of the moms were saying it's crazy how their child is able to teach others. So that's our next step in January when we come back from the break, is what schools are we going to? It's all about empowering the kids.
Yeah.
Because they're the ones that are going to be creating all these inventions and stuff later on. So.
Thank you, Scratch Squad.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.